In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Add to Cart button from products in Wix, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to customize your product page to better suit your needs. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to wix.com, open up your web browser, and head to the Wix website. If you're not already logged in, do so now using your Wix login credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard of your Wix account. From the dashboard, look for the Design Site option. Clicking on this will redirect you to the site editor where you can make changes to your website design. This is where you'll be able to adjust individual product pages, including removing or hiding various elements. Once you've entered the editor, direct your attention to the menu on the left and click on the Home option. It will take you to the Home Page Setup, which is a central hub for making significant adjustments and additions to your site features. Now, it's time to focus on the specific product page. Click on Product Page in the Options menu. This will bring you to the section where you can make changes specifically related to the way your product pages are laid out and which features they display. Next up, look for the Settings tab on your product page view. Giving this a click will open up a new array of options. These settings allow you to tweak various aspects of the product page, including buttons, images, and text fields. You will notice that you need to click on the Settings option again. This might seem redundant at first, but it is important because settings can often refer to different areas of customization. By ensuring you are in the right settings area, you're guaranteed to find the precise options you're looking for. Afterward, it's time to turn off the Show Button option that relates to the Add to Cart button. By turning off this feature, you ensure that your product page no longer displays the button, giving you a cleaner, more streamlined look. Finally, don't forget to click on Save to ensure all your changes are captured and applied to the live website. Saving your work is crucial to make sure that all the effort you've put into adjusting your settings reflects accurately on the live site. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the Add to Cart button from your Wix product pages. This process helps you maintain greater control over how your products are presented to your audience. And as always, if you need to make further adjustments, you're just a few clicks away in the editor. Thanks for tuning in, and happy website designing.